Welcome to our channel. Spectrum SAX2V1S Router Reset Wi-Fi Setup. Step 1. Check the connections. First, make sure your modem is connected properly and the SAX2V1S router is connected to the modem with an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Power on the router. Plug the router into a power outlet and wait a few minutes. Give it time to start up and connect to the internet. Step 3. Locate the reset button. Find the small reset button on the back of the router. You may need a paperclip or similar tool to press it. Step 4. Reset the router. Press and hold the reset button for around 15 seconds. Release it when the router begins restarting. Step 5. Wait for the restart. The router may take several minutes to complete the reset. Don't unplug it while the reset process is running. Step 6. Open the My Spectrum app. Open the My Spectrum app on your phone and sign in using your Spectrum account details. Step 7. Select your Wi-Fi settings. Go to the Internet or Wi-Fi section in the app and select your SAX2V1S router to manage its network settings. Step 8. Set a Wi-Fi name. Choose a new Wi-Fi name, also called an SSID, that will be easy for you and your family to recognize. Step 9. Create a strong password. Set a secure Wi-Fi password using a combination of letters and numbers. Avoid using simple passwords like your name or phone number. Step 10. Connect your devices. Connect your phones, computers, smart TVs, printers, and other devices to the new Wi-Fi network. Open a website to make sure the internet is working properly. Thanks for watching.